to you in a very Indian Hindustani style. Regulation means to control something. Regulate करना मतलब control करना. Gene expression मतलब how a gene will express itself is what we call as gene expression. I hope the topic is clear to everybody. Regulation of gene expression. How genes will behave. How genes will express. How genes will express का मतलब what बेटा? Whether genes will express themselves, वो अपना काम करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. That is what we call as gene expression. And they are going to be controlled or they are going to be regulated. How they will be controlled? This is what we are going to study in this topic, regulation of gene expression. Understood the heading, understood the title, what we are going to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. No, Piche, I want response. How would I know you're understanding or not? I want you to at least respond. Yesterday I started, I said that this... Okay, very good. Yesterday we said that this regulation is done at 4 levels. Like school में नहीं होता है, बच्चों को we have to regulate them, we have to control them. It is done by 4 levels. In small classes, you remember you had a line monitor, then you have a class monitor, then you have a class teacher, and then you have the principal. 4 levels पे होता है the controlling or regulation. Similarly, here also the genes are being regulated at 4 levels. This is a very important question generally asked. What are the levels at which genes are regulated? So let us revise it here. The first is your transcription level. When I say transcription, matlab, what is happening is hnRNA is being formed. Why we call this transcription level? Because hnRNA is called as the primary transcript. सबसे पहला stage in transcription. Primary transcript is hnRNA. mRNA बनने से पहले सबसे पहले what is formed is hnRNA. So that first level where hnRNA is formed is what we call as the transcription level. Is it okay? Which is the first level? It is the transcription level. Moving on to the second level, that is your processing level. Processing मतलब what? Some modification is being done. First stage में क्या बन गया था बेटा? hnRNA बन गया था. Now hnRNA has to be modified ताकि वो mRNA बन जाए. By what we call as splicing. You remember splicing, tailing, capping, ये सारा process होता है in which hnRNA is converted into mRNA. So your second level is what we call as the processing level. What is it called? It is called as the processing level. The third level is, what is the third level now? Your mRNA is already made. What is already made is your mRNA. Now this mRNA will be transferred. This mRNA will be transferred from the nucleus to the ribosomes. mRNA was made where? It was made in the nucleus. And now it will be transferred to the, where is it being transferred now, beta? It will be transferred further to the nucleus part. Can anybody tell me what was the fourth stage? I had already discussed the stages. Tell me what was the fourth stage?
Translation.
Translation level.
Translation level. What is the translation level? क्या होता है translation level में बेटा?
Ma'am, protein synthesis.
Protein synthesis. Excellent. What happens is protein synthesis takes place. So we have already done the first thing that we should know कि regulation of gene expression का मतलब क्या होता है? Everybody knows this. कि we are going to control the genes. Controlling the genes का मतलब कि genes अपना काम करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. What they have to make, they will make or they will not make. This is regulation of gene expression. It is done at 4 levels. I have already told you it is transcription level, processing level. Third is transfer of mRNA from the nucleus, and the fourth is your translation. Excellent. Now, yesterday I told you about a word operon. Does anybody remember what is operon? O-P-E-R-O-N. Can you tell me what is operon?
It includes all the genes
Complete
necessary
structure.
proteins.
What does it mean? It includes what all things, beta?
All the
Controller
genes
gene.
and
Controller
necessary
Ma'am,
gene.
proteins.
controller gene,
Excellent.
operator
Excellent.
and structural gene.
Yes, it is operator gene, structural gene, and we had talked about special proteins also, if you remember.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Accessory protein.
Accessory proteins. So
Accessory proteins.
all these things together are what we call as including everything is your operon. Can you see on the screen operon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everybody can
ma'am.
see on the screen?
Yes,
How many
ma'am.
Yes,
kinds
ma'am.
of- Very good. How many kinds of operons are there mentioned here?
Ma'am, two
Two
types.
types.
Two types.
The first one is inducible, and which is the second one?
Suppressible.
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 Which is the second one? Suppressible. ठीक है बेटा? Inducible मतलब जिसको induce कर सकते हैं, जिसको जब चाहे हम on कर सकते हैं. Okay, that is inducible. And suppressible जिसको हम जब चाहे suppress कर सकते हैं, मतलब off कर सकते हैं. Why I am telling you to learn like this is कि many times उल्टा लिख देते हैं. Students generally write opposite answers. So the best way to learn is the word suppressible. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Don't try to suppress me. Suppress me means मुझे चुप कराने की कोशिश मत करो. That is what we are doing. And if I can suppress you means जब भी I want, I can turn you off. So that operon which can be turned off when required is what we call as the suppressible. Automatically the other one would be the inducible. Is it okay? In normal conditions, it remains on, but it can be turned off when required. Such an operon is known as suppressible operon. And an operon which in normal conditions remains off, but whenever you want, you can turn it off. Such kind of an operon is known as an inducible operon. So how many kinds of operons are there?
Two.
Two types.
Two kinds.
That operon which remains off in normal condition is called
Suppressible.
Inducible.
Indivisible.
Ma'am, inducible.
inducible. Inducible means whenever you want, आप start कर सकते हो, उसको on कर सकते हो. So this is inducible. One very important example written on the screen for inducible operon is anybody?
Lac
operon.
operon.
Lac operon. So everybody is confident as to what is operon. All the structural genes, operator genes, accessory proteins, everything is in one compartment when we are talking about prokaryotes. So this entire things, all these things together are what we call as operon. Two kinds of operon, inducible operons and suppressible operons. Please be attentive. I'll keep asking questions by name now. So everybody is okay. Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So we have
Yes,
done,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
very good. So we have done about two types of operons, inducible and suppressible. And example lac operon कर रहा था बेटा. Lac operon किसका example था?
Inducible.
I'm inducible.
अच्छा चलो. Now see on the screen, the next slide which you can see is, it is written normal condition. What is written over here? Normal condition. I had done this with you yesterday. एक बार जल्दी से करते हैं because otherwise you will not be able to understand the special condition. अगर normal clear नहीं होगा तो. Normal condition का मतलब what बेटा? It means no lactose is available. Lac word comes from the word lactose. Operon everybody knows. So that operon which will be influenced by the presence or absence of lactose is called lac operon. ठीक है बेटा? Operon सबको पता है. Lac operon, lac word का मतलब short form of lactose. तो that operon जिसका working और function किस चीज पे depend करेगा, whether lactose is present or it is not present, is what we call as the lac operon. When we talk about lac operon normal condition का मतलब क्या होगा बेटा यहाँ पे? That no lactose is available. What does it mean is no lactose is available. Is Apurva there? Apurva is there? She's messaging me. I don't know why. Is Apurva there?
No, ma'am, she is not in the
Oh, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, she's just messaged me. Maybe she's waiting or something. Let me check out why the message during the class. I don't know. Anyways, dear students, don't message during the classes. Chalo, let's continue. When I say normal conditions, it means what? It means lactose is available or it is not available.
Not
I'm
available.
not available.
Not
Not
available.
available. चलो, अब जल्दी से, very good. जल्दी से screen देखो. This boundary line which I have made is what? This is the boundary of the bacteria. What is this? This is your bacteria. That means I have taken a prokaryotic cell. Which cell am I talking about? Prokaryotic cell.
Excuse me,
Prokaryotic
ma'am.
cell की जो, yes बेटा.
Ma'am, please
Hello?
allow Apurva to enter the class. No, she is in the waiting room, I guess.
That is why she messaged me probably. Let me see, is she in? Apurva joining. All of you ensure please join the class on time from tomorrow. Otherwise, one by one, if you will come, 20 minutes will go like this only. Okay, she'll join. Let us continue. We were talking about a condition which is normal when no lactose is available. Beta, see your screens, everybody. Can you see that boundary which I have made? What is this boundary? Boundary of which cell?
Bacterial cell.
Bacterial cell. अब बेटा इसको अच्छे से
Bacterial
समझो.
cell.
Yes, if you'll try to learn, रटने की कोशिश करोगे, you will not understand. ध्यान से देखो. This is the cell of a bacteria. This is the boundary of bacteria. इसके बाहर का सारा area is what we call as external medium. Obviously, what is it called as external medium? And line के अंदर वाला area is the part inside the bacterial cell. I have drawn an operon inside this. Can everybody see on the screen the operon? Everybody can
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
operon? Very good. What is the first letter written in the operon? Capital P लिखा है. What does that mean?
Promoter.
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 Very good. Yes, this is your promoter area, promoter gene. And the most important thing is that this is the site where your RNA polymerase will attach. I have made that circle. What does that circle indicate? देखो, I have labeled it as, what is this enzyme? RNA polymerase.
Polymerase.
Can you see this? What is this? This is RNA polymerase. After P, which is the second letter?
I.
I.
I stands for which gene? See on the screen and tell
Inhibitor
me.
gene.
Inhibitor gene.
Inhibitor मतलब कल भी बताया था स्पीड ब्रेकर की तरह जो किसी चीज को रोकता है, प्रोहिबिट करता है, इनहिबिट करता है, उस प्रोसेस को स्लो डाउन करता है. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज इनहिबिटर. अगेन टू मेंशन हियर, I have seen many times when we check copies, sometimes people write it as inducible gene. This is not inducible. Don't get confused. This is inhibitor. Third one is again your promoter gene. What is O over here?
Operator gene.
Operator gene.
O is your
Operator.
operator gene. Very good. And the last three, Z, Y, and A. What are they?
Structural gene.
Structural gene.
Very good. So ये पूरा entire structure जिसमें promoter gene है, inhibitor gene is there, operator gene is there, and 3 structural genes are there. All together, सबको मिला के, what name we give? What is it called?
Operon.
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 Is it okay for everybody? What is this? This is operon. The most important thing which we need to remember in this slide is कि जो आपका main enzyme है, that is RNA polymerase. Where will it come and attach? Which place? P, I, O, Z, Y, A. Where?
P.
P.
Promoter.
P.
Promoter.
अच्छा चलो, अब इसका एक फॉर्मूला बनाओ, एक सेंटेंस बनाओ इसको याद करने का. मे बी PIP, OZYA ऐसे याद कर लो अगर you can learn it, or if you want you can make another formula for yourself to learn it, but learn it in the same sequence. PIP, OZYA. Tell me the sequence.
PIP OZYA.
PIP OZYA.
Excellent. P stands for, what does P stand for?
Promoter.
Promoter.
What is I?
Inhibitor gene.
Inhibitor.
What is O?
Operator gene.
Operator
And
gene.
operator gene. And Z, Y, and A, all 3 are together called as
Structural gene.
Structural genes.
structural genes. Very good. And ये पूरा का पूरा together, P, I, O, Z, Y, A, all these genes together located in the same compartment. What is it called together collectively?
Operon.
It is called as the operon. Very good. So we've seen the membrane. Can I move on to the next slide if this is okay for you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What was the
ma'am.
formula? What was the formula to remember the sequence?
PIP OZYA.
PIP OZYA.
Okay. Please see there is membrane of bacteria here. Can you see the membrane of bacteria, everybody? Very good.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now let's go further. What are the 3 structural genes? Name the structural genes.
ZYA.
Z, Y, and A.
Z, Y, and A. Now this Z structural gene actually is involved in the synthesis of an enzyme. कल बताया था नाम and it is already on the screen. Name the enzyme.
Beta galactosidase.
Beta galactosidase.
Sidase. Beta galactosidase. Come on, everybody. Z1. The Z gene will produce
Beta
which one?
galactosidase.
Excellent. What about the Y one?
Permease.
Permeate.
Permeate.
Permease. The name of the enzyme is जो permeability दे, जो किसी को अंदर जाने दे. That is what we call as permeability. So from that word permeability, ये word आ गया हमारा permease. And what is A? A will give rise to an enzyme. What is the name of the enzyme?
Transacetylase.
Trans-acetylase. चलो अब जल्दी से
Acetylase.
within a minute. Very good. Within a minute we will learn this. Z structural gene will give us the enzyme beta galactosidase. The Y structural gene will give us the enzyme permease, and the A structural gene will give us the enzyme trans-acetylase. Is it okay? All the three enzymes done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll go by steps. We'll try and understand the steps. What happens in the first step? The enzyme, the most important factor in this process, that is RNA polymerase will come. And we had already discussed, जब ये आएगा RNA polymerase, it will bind itself to which site, children?
Promoters.
Promoter site.
The promoter site. If you remember the first figure I had shown you, I had made a circle on that. That was showing your RNA polymerase. So see the steps on the screen. सबसे पहले क्या होएगा? RNA polymerase will come and it will attach itself at which site? It will attach itself at P site. Now, what is the site immediately after P site? P के बाद कौन सा बेटा? I. Very good. अब RNA polymerase का effect next वाले gene पे आएगा. That is your inhibitor gene वाले पे. Okay? किस में effect आएगा? The next one. What is the next one you had? The inhibitor gene. Inhibitor gene will start transcription. Because RNA polymerase is responsible for transcription. So as soon as RNA polymerase comes, just next to it was which gene? I gene. Operon को याद रखो, उसका structure दिमाग में रखिए. So your I gene will undergo transcription. What is formed, beta? See on the screen. After transcription, what will be formed?
mRNA.
mRNA will be formed, and then after mRNA will undergo translation, and after translation, protein synthesis will take place. And after protein synthesis is taking place in I, which kind of proteins are being formed? See the step number 6. Which protein is being formed?
Inhibitor proteins.
Inhibitor proteins. That means the protein which will stop your process of transcription. Transcription already start हो गया बेटा. कहाँ पे start हुआ? I पे start हुआ. सबसे पहले क्या बना? mRNA बना. mRNA will undergo translation. आपको याद होगा translation? mRNA attaches to those two pieces of ribosomes. Then ribosome slides over mRNA. Amino acids bind होते हैं, protein बनता है. You remember the process of translation? Okay?
Yes,
Those who
ma'am.
have attended classes. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
mRNA बनने के बाद, mRNA, if you remember, it attaches to the ribosomes and then entire process takes place. So क्या हुआ बेटा? सबसे पहले RNA polymerase attach हुआ. कौन सी साइड पे attach हुआ?
P site.
P site.
P site.
P site. Just after P, very good. Just after P you had I. I underwent transcription. सबसे पहले कौन सा RNA बना?
HRNA.
mRNA.
mRNA. HNRNA बनेगा, but slicing के बाद mRNA. So after mRNA is made, translation होगा and protein synthesis will take place. Which kind of a protein is being formed?
Inhibitor proteins.
Inhibitor protein.
Inhibitor protein is being formed. That means we are talking about, अब I तक का हमारा सब काम खत्म हो गया. P में क्या हुआ था? The enzyme came and binded itself. What was the name of the enzyme?
RNA polymerase. RNA
अच्छा, अब I में क्या हो गया बेटा? एक प्रोटीन बन गया. कौन सा प्रोटीन बना?
Inhibitor protein.
Inhibitor protein.
Inhibitor protein. Now see the figure on the screens, beta. See the figure on the screen. Okay, this inhibitor protein will attach itself to कौन सी साइट पे जाके देखो? See the screen and tell me.
O.
Oh, very good.
O site.
O site, very good. Now your RNA polymerase has reached the another P site. RNA polymerase, तो you know, आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. It has already reached the second site. Can you see? I have made another RNA polymerase at P site. Can you see on the figure? Your
Yes, ma'am.
RNA
Yes, ma'am.
polymerase started. देखो P पे आया, P से फिर वो I पे आया, I ने प्रोटीन बनाया, I से अब वो RNA polymerase has reached where? It has reached your second P. Can everybody see on the screen? But
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
Yes,
RNA
ma'am.
polymerase अब RNA polymerase cannot go further. ये आगे नहीं जा पाएगा to the structural genes. क्यों नहीं जा पाएगा बेटा? Can anybody tell me?
Inhibitor protein.
Ma'am, because there is inhibitor protein.
Ma'am.
Excellent, very good. क्योंकि P and Z के बीच में we have a protein which has binded itself to the O site, and that is which kind of a protein? Inhibitor protein.
Inhibitor.
This inhibitor protein will not allow the RNA polymerase to slide further. ये और आगे नहीं जा पाएगा because of the presence of which protein? Inhibitor
protein.
Inhibitor.
See now, very good. See the sixth point written on the screen. I have written inhibitor protein attaches itself to the operator gene. Can all of you see that it has attached itself to which
Yes,
gene?
ma'am.
Operator
Yes,
gene.
ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
see very
ma'am.
clearly, Pita? It is attached
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
operator gene.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of the presence of this inhibitor protein on the O site, RNA polymerase cannot slide further. ये रास्ते में एक बड़ा सा पत्थर है. It's an obstruction. It's an inhibition. So RNA polymerase cannot reach the structural genes. Which were the structural genes?
ZYA.
ZYA.
Very good.
ZYA.
enzymes बनाने का काम किसका था? Out of all these genes I have written
ZYA.
in this operon,
Structural genes.
ZYA. Very good. The structural
Structural
gene, that is
genes.
ZYA. And ये लोग enzyme तभी बनाएंगे when this RNA polymerase will read them. But RNA polymerase तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाएगा. It cannot reach ZY and A because it is obstructed by the presence of which protein?
Inhibitor protein.
Induced
Inhibitor
protein.
protein.
Inhibitor
Inhibitor
protein.
protein.
हाँ, not induced. Again, this confusion should
Sorry,
not be
ma'am.
there. नहीं बेटा, nothing to be sorry. We need to realize. Induce मतलब किसी चीज को बढ़ाना, and inhibit मतलब रोकना. So यहाँ पे तो वो रोक रहा है. So we are going to call it as inhibitor. Inhibitor protein is attaching itself to which gene, children?
Operator genes.
Operator
O
gene.
gene.
Very
Operator
good.
gene.
Operator gene. Now all of you read the seventh point. Now the RNA polymerase will not be able to slide over the operator region and move forward. Clear? RNA polymerase now cannot slide further because what is present? Beech mein speed breaker. You have a big obstruction in the way, and that obstruction is the presence of which protein? Inhibitor protein. Next point. The three structural genes, that is Z, Y, and A, now will not be transcribed and the three enzymes will not be formed. Obviously, if DNA polymerase will not be able to reach these structural genes, so these structural genes will not undergo transcription. Transcription to कौन initiate करेगा? RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase वहाँ पहुंच ही नहीं सकता है. It cannot reach the structural genes. So transcription will not take place. And all the three structural genes, that is Z, Y, and A, will not be able to produce the enzymes. If you remember the enzymes, remember the name of the enzymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, अब देखो बेटा, why this mechanism was set? ऐसा system क्यों बनाया गया? Enzymes are not needed only. Enzymes are not being produced because enzymes are not needed. And why enzymes are not needed? Because no lactose is present. Lactose is not present in enzymes का function क्या है? Basically to break lactose and give energy to the cell. Okay बेटा, अभी पढ़ेंगे आगे. The main function of these three enzymes is to break the lactose and give energy to the cell. But in this case, was lactose present?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So obviously lactose है ही नहीं. So there is no need of decomposition of lactose. So why should a cell waste its energy in producing these enzymes, in undergoing transcription of the structural genes? It is not needed at all because lactose is not present. So such a condition, जहाँ पे lactose is not present, देखो बेटा, your operon is now in off mode. What mode we'll call it as? Off mode. See the screen very carefully. 10th point को बहुत ध्यान से देखो. We say that it is in off mode. Why it is in off mode? Number one, no lactose is present. Number two, no transcription of structural genes is taking place. And number three, no enzymes are being secreted. So we will say your operon is in which mode? Off mode or on mode?
Off mode.
Off mode.
Off mode. ये
Off
तो हो
mode.
गया हमारा normal case. This is your normal condition. Any doubt still here? Off mode wala?
No,
Anybody?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sure.
ma'am.
No,
Chalo.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's have. Yes, ma'am. Pucho beta. Pucho. Somebody said yes, ma'am. Any doubts? No? Chalo. Let us discuss very quickly right from the beginning. Then I will tell you a condition when lactose is present. ठीक है बेटा? अब हम first condition हम क्या कर रहे हैं? When your operon is in the off position and lactose is not present. अगर ये clear हो जाएगा तो second condition तो automatically it will be very easy for you to understand. Let us revise very quickly. We were talking about regulation of gene expression. That means control. अच्छा ये बताओ यहाँ पे regulation क्या हुआ? What regulation of gene expression took place? How will you relate this to the heading? Anybody? क्या regulation हुआ बेटा इसमें? Come on, how are your genes controlled or regulated?
Gene is being regulated so that it does not secrete the enzymes because it is not needed.
Exactly. Excellent. It is not needed only. The secretion was not needed. Transcription of structural genes was not needed because we did not have the presence of lactose. So your genes are being controlled. They are being regulated. That don't produce the enzyme. These enzymes are not needed. So it's a waste of energy for the cell. So why should the cell do this? So this is how the genes are being regulated or controlled. Very good. Now very quickly, children. Regulation of gene expression takes place at 4 stages. Tell me the first stage.
Transcription level.
Very good. This is Aman, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay. Which is the second level? Second level?
Processing level.
Processing level.
Processing. Vedant was the first to answer.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Very good. Let me see if I can make out from your voices. The third level was?
Transport of mRNA from
Transport
nucleus
of
to
mRNA.
cytoplasm.
Excellent. What is the fourth one?
Translation.
Translation level.
Very good. So all this entire process is controlled with the help of special proteins which are known as?
Accessory protein. Accessory
Accessory proteins.
Very good. Then we talked about all the types of genes, structural gene, operator gene, promoter gene, inhibitor gene. All are present in the same compartment in prokaryotic cells and together they are known as?
Operon.
Operon.
Operons.
How many kinds of operon we studied about?
Two types.
Two types.
Suppressible.
Okay, for inducible and suppressible. अब मुझे ये बताओ, the operon which remains off in the normal condition but can be turned on when needed. What is it called as?
Inducible.
Inducible.
Inducible operon. Lac operon को किस
Lac
तरफ होता
operon.
है?
Inducible.
Inducible या suppressible?
Inducible.
Inducible. Just now
Inducible.
we have understood. Just now we understood why it is inducible, because in normal condition it remains off or on?
Of.
Of.
Off. Yes. Normal condition का मतलब lac operon में what? Presence or absence of lactose?
Absence of lactose.
Absence of lactose.
Absence.
Operon. What was the first letter in the operon?
P.
P.
What does P means what, beta?
Promoter.
Promoter.
Very good. I means?
Inhibitor.
Inhibitor.
Excellent. Okay, P is again your promoter. What is O over here?
Operator gene.
Operator.
Operator gene.
And Z, Y and A together are which ones?
Structural gene.
Structural gene.
Very good. So the first thing which happens is your RNA polymerase will come and bind to which gene?
Promoter gene.
P. Promoter site.
Gene. Excellent. It will come and bind to the promoter gene or promoter site. And your next one, that is the I1, will become active.
Undergo
Okay?
transcription.
It will undergo transcription and it will produce a special kind of protein. What was that protein known as?
Inhibitor protein.
Inhibitor proteins.
Of course, it's a kind of accessory protein. बेटा देखो, accessory proteins दो तरह के होते हैं, inducible and inhibitor. I'll explain that to you. जो process को रोकते हैं वो inhibitor और जो speed बढ़ाते हैं वो inducible. But here we are talking about which accessory protein? Inhibitor protein. Inhibitor protein will come and bind itself to which gene?
O.
O.
Operator gene.
Operator
Very
gene.
good. Now, will RNA polymerase be able to slide over or pass over the O site?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Be able to pass over. So the next three structural genes, will they undergo transcription?
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
They
ma'am.
will not undergo transcription. So if there is no transcription, will they produce the enzymes that they are supposed to produce?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
They are not
ma'am.
producing.
Enzymes are
And
not needed
why are the enzymes not needed?
because there is no lactose present.
There is no
There
lactose.
There
is
is
no
no
lactose
lactose
present.
present. So your operon is off mode or on mode?
Off mode.
Ma'am,
Off
off
mode.
mode.
Off mode means lactose is not present. Is transcription of structural genes taking place?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Are the enzymes being secreted?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
They're
ma'am.
not being secreted. Okay. If they were to be secreted, हम मान लेते हैं, we'll be doing the second case later, but हम मान लेते हैं if lactose was present and the transcription was taking place, so Z would have produced which enzyme?
Beta
Beta
galactosidase.
galactosidase.
Excellent. And Y would have produced
Permease.
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 permease. And A would have produced
Transacetylase.
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 transacetylase. What is the
Transacetylase.
formula? What is the formula to learn the operon?
PIPOZY.
PIP OZYA.
ZYA.
Okay, excellent. ZYA are your structural genes. O is your
Operator. gene.
Operator.
gene. And what is your I, children?
Inhibitor.
Inhibitor gene.
Inhibitor.
Now let us assume the second case, which is the condition is not normal. When I say it is not a normal condition, that means what is present, children?
Lactose is
Lactose.
present.
Lactose.
Lactose is present. Before I explain that to you, let us guess कि उसमें क्या होगा. Lactose is present. So beta, if lactose is present, are the enzymes needed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Obviously,
ma'am.
the enzymes will be needed so that lactose can break down and that energy can be utilized by the bacteria or the prokaryotic cell, whichever we are talking about. So obviously, if lactose is present outside medium, then transcription is needed. The structural genes have to produce these enzymes. Okay, अब आप बताओ what has to be done? क्या करें कि RNA polymerase starts sliding over and it reaches, देखो एक ही तरीका है. If your RNA polymerase slides over O and it reaches the structural genes, automatically the structural genes will start producing the enzymes. So what should we do?
Removal of inhibitor.
Removal of inhibitor protein.
Inhibitor protein.
Excellent. We need to remove the inhibitor protein. This is what the main thing is. Normally what happens in the school is, supposing there are 3 people standing, you want to share something with your friend, but you don't want the third person to hear it. Okay? What do you normally do? What is the other possibility? In the corridor, another person is passing who is more closer to that person. So what will that person do? He will leave your company and go and join the other person. Does this happen in normal cases or not? You're talking to someone and then that somebody, some close friend of his or her comes. So what does the other person do? He will stop talking to you and go and start talking to the other person. Does this happen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
It happens or
ma'am.
not? It happens, na? When you're sitting in a combined class in A section and you don't have anybody of your class B section, majburi mein you of course sit with the A section students. But as soon as you find somebody coming from B section, immediately you leave them and you come and sit with whom? You sit with your own section children or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, exactly that is what we will be doing, what we'll study tomorrow. The second case, hum wahi karenge. We will bring something like this towards which your inhibitor protein will get attracted. It will get attracted so much that it will leave this site. Which site? Where was it binded? Which site was it binded?
Operators.
Operator site.
Operon.
It will leave the operator site and come and bind with somebody else or somewhere else. Now, if this protein leaves the operator site, will RNA polymerase be able to slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no obstruction, there is no barrier now because wo to chala gaya, the one which was creating a barrier, that obstructing protein that you had. So your RNA polymerase will slide very easily. It will reach your structural genes. Your structural genes will undergo transcription. They will produce the enzymes. enzymes will break the lactose and the bacteria will get its energy. So हमने क्या किया? हमने operon को on mode में लेकर के आए. And when did we bring it in on mode? When it was needed. Normally it remains in which mode, beta?
Off mode.
Off mode. But yes, in normal cases it was off mode. Here it means no lactose was present. But we brought it in on mode. How did we bring it in on mode? कुछ तो करा ऐसा, so that it starts working, so that the enzymes start producing. So then we will say that my operon has now gone to which mode? It has gone to the on mode now. So lac operon is an example of which operon? Inducible or suppressible?
Inducible.
Indivisible.
Inducible.
That